No, I'm not a man was on one coach. I ain't just supposed to what is something. You're the part of that thing. Thank you. So next order. Sauce.
Francisco, know. This is the time, the event we've been waiting for. And we are here to celebrate and we welcome everyone that made this occasion and plan and stay here for this event. So we are saying, please, thank you so very much for coming. And we know many are still coming, many are still on the way. In this, I am privileged to introduce our sister and coordinator of the AMMC, Uche, Princess Chuke. Before honor your coordinates, our MCs, give her a hand of applause. Welcome, welcome. To this wonderful August occasion, and our 30th anniversary. And then I can help you don't know, because thank you for indulging us. Without no waste of time, I want to introduce the MC of this occasion. We have two wonderful MCs that will guide us through as we do this event. Our guests, wonderful guests, you are all looking beautiful. I will start by introducing our main MC. It's no other than the person you already know. He's seen in every other occasion that this happens here in Atlanta. And our wonderful person of Patabala, Obisambala, Obisambala. A very nice man. And thank you, because for every occasion we have had Enugu State Women Organization, starting in 2011, our inauguration, our fundraising event in 2014, and here today, in 2016, he's been our MC. He is, one thing you don't know about him that I just happen to know, he used to be a lecturer at the University of California, lecturing business. You
are so very generous. We thank you.
And going further, our next MC, oh yeah, Kanye Bob. He had the club ambassador KC. I'm going to go, man. I'll only be here to support. Thank you.
Yes, please a big hand of applause for our President Emeritus. That's all very generous. But the overall University of California, now Cal University in Pomona, California. Ladies and gentlemen, co-MC tonight is the one and only Ambassador Casey. That's right. The only Nigerian that has a TV program here in Atlanta, Georgia. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to this wonderful event, the 10th anniversary of Enugu State Women Organization. This is the 10th anniversary. In other words, they have been working very hard, uplifting the people of Enugu State for the past 10 years. Oh yes. Yes. And every year they take roots in different communities in Enugu State. If you look at the brochure tonight, or if you look at the flyers that have been distributing, you will see so many projects that they have executed in Enugu State.
I am a witness.
Yes. And ladies and gentlemen, as they invited you here tonight and you answered their invitation, we just want to humbly thank you for being here, first of all. And secondly, for supporting the theme of this evening. And whatever you do this evening to propagate their projects, ladies and gentlemen, I assure you that God will reward you 1,000-fold in Jesus' name. And I would like to welcome all those from outside the state of Georgia. Because welcome to this capital of Southern hospitality, Atlanta, that is. Ambassador.
Oh, Christ, man.
Yes. And those of you that are here right now, we're going to get started. And very shortly, we're going to populate the high table. Remember, I say in yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we just want to welcome you. And I would like to start by calling to the high table somebody that has been there, yes, for this community, not just for Enugu community, but for the Igbo community, the Nigerian community, most importantly, the American community, because it represents us very well at the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of Enugu State Association and a friend of this wonderful organization with his beautiful beautiful hand. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table. Yes. Chief Brian Ojib. Because I say, who will be there? But you go there again. Ojib. Yes.
Enugu State.
Brian Ojib.
Enugu State.
Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the better half of the chairman of World Igbo Congress. She is here with us tonight. We are very privileged to have her. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the wife of the chairman of World Igbo Congress, a community leader here in Atlanta and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Eto to the high table, please. Yes. This is a modest production.
Don't
Yes. That's right. Yes. We're moving on. The ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table. Our patron, the patron of Enugu State Women Organization. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief of here, Chief Mrs. Teresa Anya, please to the high table. Our patron. And you can ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the person that made engineering. This man put Nigerian engineers in the map of the state of Georgia. That is true. And this is the man that speaks for the Nigerian Igbo Catholic community. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table the one and only Engineer Chime, please to the high table. Yes. Welcome, man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to bring to the high table somebody that we all know very well, somebody that not only nurtured so many organizations, Zagata Union, Anambra State Association, and on and on and on. Ogo Progressive Union. Oh yes. Somebody that I think should be an ambassador. Correct? Yes. In the diaspora here. Ladies and gentlemen, the then we Chief Mrs. Adajo as a baby. And into one people. Why you keep here? Good guy and singing here. Yes. Yes.
Baby, go down, baby, go down.
led by the one and only, and internationally acclaimed, the artist. Chief Chicks of Fire, we will welcome you with all your members, and of course I'm a member of Enugu Ministry. We welcome you. Yes, we can now say, welcome to this wonderful 10th year anniversary of Enugu State Women Organization. Because Enugu is again now. The Enugu women are saying now. Now say because second, because we have a proper place for you and your beautiful wife. Remember it, because Enugu Women Association, Enugu State Women Association organization. Now say no, no. President Emeritus, ASA Atlanta. Treasurer Emeritus, ASA National. That is as Anambra State Association. And as in the norm. Because very soon we will place you where you are. Dr. Kafa, we can sing it now. Ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome somebody, a family that has done very well for the Nigerian community here in the state of Georgia. A mega employer of labor. That's right. Somebody that if you Google even his middle name in the medical industry here in the state of Georgia, your computer will be going haywire. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table. High Chief Nomi, the man that is revered no more. Ladies and gentlemen, to the high table, please help me welcome Chief and Mrs. John Adule.
The presence of one of our beloved sisters here in the house. There's no other one other than Charity. Because they are the Enugu City. Welcome.
Yes, please may you stand and take a bow.
Take a bow.
Yes, Charity. Welcome.
Yes.
Adeje Jemba.
Oh yes. Thank you.
Yes, as we travel along, I just want to recognize the one and only we welcome you, and if you may stand and take a bow. Yes, yes. Now look at the yes. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening just made it to the hall. But I think I'm just going to say the opening prayers and usher him to the high table as soon as he gets in. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call on one of our spiritual leaders in this community to help us in opening prayers. Please help me welcome the one and only. I don't even know me. Oh yes. Lady Dorothy Nkene to please come and open this wonderful function with a prayer.
Yes, over here.
Amen. And I invite you, ladies and gentlemen, to please stand for our national anthem. DJ Chief.
a powerful presentation by the children of Enugu Americans. Round of applause. Round of applause. Not just African American, but Enugu Americans. You know?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We thank our kids for that special performance. Good job, good job, good job.
Yes. Because, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand of applause for our lovely children. Because yes, our future. Yes. Because I would like to, on behalf of this community, give a special thanks to Mrs. Queen Ago and Kenegi Nasi Oliku on Ekro. Very well.
Please, let's bring the noise down a little bit. Let's bring the conversation down so we can hear the MC, please. Thank you.
Yes. Because the guy all over the woman, all over the Nagaswaji, and the woman, Quadra. Yes.
All right, well, we're getting ready for the color notes. Just a quick housekeeping. The bar stays open. The bar stays open. And the food, of course, we said dinner will be served by 8. But my clock is about 5 minutes to 8. So please bear with us. We'll get to this dinner just in a moment. Thank you for listening. And thank you for being here. Everything I will eat or drink is ready. We will not go far to get them to the table. Yes, thank you.
Ndị Enugu steeti enwerego ọjị. Anyị ga-eburu ọjị a etu omenala si kwu wee bugalụ one of our elders. Senior Ejike, Chief Ejike, biko anyị na-abịa ka anyị butere ọjị a ihe ndị niile ya.
Senior Ejike.
Enugu State is in the Enugu Ọjị. Biko ndị akpọ ndị Anambra na-abịa were ọjị. Ndị Anambra State, onye Anambra State na-ebe the chairman, the president of Enugu Men's Club, Ọjị, biko bịa iwepụ ofu ọjị. Imo State, afọ Ndozie Anwụlere, biko bịa ka iwepụ ofu ọjị n'aha ndị Imo State. Biko anyị na-asị iwepụ ndị Anambra ofu ọjị. A sị na Anambra na Imo bụ nwanne. Biko Ndozie wepụ ofu ọjị. Abia State, onye Abia State na-ebe a. Abia State. Yes. Yes. No. Because Ebonyi State. I want Ebonyi State in there. I want to. Delta State, please. Delta State. Okay. Biko, ke wegalo ndị chile echichi. Biko, abụ na ofu onye ga-ewepụ ụfa. Ọ na-agụ. Thank you. Yes. Chief Josh was on my depot, and the woman and second no. Make it a way to me, and I Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to bring out the president of this esteemed organization to come and give her welcome address. Before I bring in this wonderful president, ladies and gentlemen, a very distinguished president of this organization, the tradition is that to bring her in first, and she now makes her address. But before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to bring in a legal luminary here with us tonight. Somebody that has done a whole lot of legal work for the community, pro bono that is. Somebody that is highly respected in our community and revered all over the state of Georgia. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table Anthony and Mrs. Ide to the high table, please. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a royalty in our midst. I would like to bring up somebody that means a lot to this community because she came humble before she became royalty. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the high table. Oh, no one know where. Her Royal Majesty, Mrs. Ada Ngodi, to the high table. Oh, yes, yes. President. She is ready to come. Yes.
Because I can do my president time.
Yes.
Because president time.
Oh yes. Because name masses and the Latins and the temples are fair.
Original. Mr. Flavor Podcast on the
so much. I love the unity, I love the oneness, I love the togetherness. We will not waste any more time. We will go right for the night, our able president, Adangozu Mogodo, Wanyama, Bikoye Kelegi, Boroma. We will not wait for you to just, get seated, but at the same time, I'm going to move the mic to you. We are ready for item 5, presidential remark. The president opening speech. Okay. All right. Yes. President.
Thank you very much. Good evening, Mr. Chairman, members of the High Table, distinguished guests, ASWO members, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ASWO 10-year anniversary fundraising gala night event. It is my great pleasure and honor to speak to you today as we celebrate our 10-year anniversary. Today is about togetherness, one mind, one heart, one love for the sole interest of improving our community. Enugu State Women Organization, ASWO, was founded in 2006, and we stand to support our communities back home and youth as they pursue their personal dreams and goals. ASWO responsibility is decided in making our place one of the best communities where people are healthy, safe, cared for, and eventually gain the best in education. However, in order for a community to achieve its basic needs, it will take a lot of work, improvement, involvement, teamwork, commitment, and finances. I am standing here tonight on behalf of my members, testifying that we cannot do it alone without trusted and dependable friends like you. Nevertheless, before the onset of ASWO, there has been several educational related projects in our community that are operational with little or no help. They were in desperate need for basic amenities and educational supplies. ASWO got involved with making sure that our community, despite what it stands for a fine life for all. For the most part, the ability to effectively execute this project is absolutely essential and purposeful in building healthy communities. However, ASWO runs two types of projects: social service and community-based projects. The following are some of the works that ASWO has completed, and some are still in progress, in 6 different communities in Enugu State. In 2009, ASWO completed the first social project in Amod. After inauguration in 2011, ASWO embarked on another project, which was completed in 2012. ASWO embarked using the ballot system for that project. 4 lucky winners won the ballot, selecting the following cities: Ngo, Obe, Eke, and Abo. The designated project for each of these cities were completed, commissioned, and handed over to the communities respectively. I am proud to say that I commissioned some of these projects while I was on visit to Nigeria. After that, ASWO added medical projects, giving 4 cities chances for quality life for all. And these cities included Ozala, Umabe, Udi Tam, and Imezion. The details will be shared by the community members. In addition, we participate in community outreach, volunteering in different areas. For example, MedShare. We helped to package medical supplies that were being distributed to different countries around the world, including Nigeria. This teamwork has contributed to strengthening ASWO, promoted lasting friendship, and successfully tailored to the educational needs of our youth. In Atlanta, we could recognize our children from elementary education to college level for their hard work, dedicated dedication towards school, and being role models to peers through awards and gift cards. ASWO is a strong believer in a comprehensive approach to helping the needs of our people. I am speaking with clear view of our old adage that it takes a whole village to raise a child. In support, this program conveys and emphasizes the value of family relationship, self-sacrificing, concern for others, sharing, and hospitality. Our communities need us, and we cannot achieve success alone. There has to be resources to support because success does not materialize out of thin air. It will take love and commitment from all of us to meet the needs of our communities in Enugu State. Our main purpose for this event is to create awareness on the need to render help in all areas of education, medical, or basic needs for quality life in our communities. In accordance to this sole interest, Enugu State Women Organization has brought everyone together tonight to present our proposal towards the enormous needs in our community. On this note, we are expecting to see immediate impact from our friends to help us morally and financially to achieve the ultimate goal. We are grateful to the endless support and assistance that everyone has given to facilitate past and ongoing projects. One of the most important lessons we learned is the importance of close collaboration between ESWO and our community in general. Finally, I would like to thank the founder of ESWO, Mrs. Queen Agu Manaria, for her vision, Mrs. Ebele Thompson, project chairperson, and Mrs. Teresa Onya, our facilitators in Nigeria. I am very grateful for all your efforts in making sure that all these projects are completed and handed over to the communities. In addition, I am very thankful to Mrs. Ifoma Anene, Planning Committee Chair, and all the planning committee members, present and past executives and ESWO, who tireless efforts resulted in the successful completion of some projects and others ahead. I believe that the development of our community plays an important role for the stability and prosperity of our children. ESWO remains committed to supporting our youth, educational opportunities in the community, and we look forward to further working tirelessly to achieve your goals. Thank you all for your support and kindness.
Please give a big hand of applause for our president. And ladies and gentlemen, very shortly, your dinner will be served. You don't need to go out to the buffet table. The dinner will come to your table. And in the middle of dinner, there will be presentation by our president. This is Ngozi Waboro Igwe, and also Adenugu Ebele Thompson, and also Adenugu Ngozi Obo. They will make presentation this evening so that we can see, ladies and gentlemen, some of the